guys, we're in the PASMAG garage, and I just wanted to take a second to talk to you guys about our friends at LIQUI MOLY. Everyone knows LIQUI MOLY makes a ton of oils and oil products, but did you know they have so much more? For example, we have 4 right in front of us, and I just want to run through them really quick. Number 1, LIQUI MOLY's electric spray. It's a fully synthetic, silicone-free contact spray for automotive electronics and electrical systems, which cleans and protects electrical connectors, plugs, terminals, and contact points. In addition to all that, it helps reduce fretting and corrosion on your electrical connections, suppresses moisture to help prevent electrical issues caused by water intrusion, and it's safe for use on paints, common plastics, and rubber components. This is designed to improve reliability and conductivity in electronic systems. We've also got LIQUI MOLY's Hybrid Additive. This is a fuel system additive developed specifically for late model hybrid engines. It helps remove deposits from the fuel system and for cleaner operation. Additionally, it protects against corrosion inside the fuel system and in engine components. It stabilizes fuel to help prevent aging and oxidization during extended periods between fill-ups, and it helps reduce fuel degradation for improved engine performance and efficiency. It's safe for use in all 4-stroke gasoline engines, including turbocharged applications. We also have my personal favorite, Tec Gasoline. This is a fuel additive made for high octane use. This high-tech fuel additive is designed to improve throttle response and engine drivability. This optimizes fuel atomization and combustion for smoother, more responsive performance, and helps clean the fuel system while supporting maximum engine efficiency. It's designed to improve performance under partial engine load and everyday driving conditions, suitable for both 4-stroke and 2-stroke gasoline engines. It's also safe for turbocharged engines, engines with catalytic converters, and gasoline particulate filters. Lastly, showing you just how far the brand of LIQUI MOLY product reaches is the LM48 installation paste. LM48 is a high-performance assembly paste designed for engines, gearboxes, and industrial machinery assembly. It prevents dry start and dry run damaging during your initial startup. You can use this to protect your engine bearings, piston skirts, camshaft lobes, and other high-friction components during assembly, and it'll protect against scoring, galling, and high wear on tight-fitting parts. Its extremely adhesive formula stays in place on polished metal surfaces during assembly, making it a perfect assembly lube for assembling your engines or machinery. If you want to learn more about any of these products or the wide variety of products available from LIQUI MOLY family, head over to liquimoly.com or keep your eye on Tuner Battlegrounds, which is presented by LIQUI MOLY.